See, dz by dt equal to, you can take it as e power t commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Minus sin t plus cos t. So, you can substitute everything in dw by dt. You can substitute everything in dw by dt. What is the formula for dw by dt? Dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt plus dou w by dou z into dz by dt. So, what is the value of dou w by dou x? Dou w by dou x equal to 2x. Dou w by dou x equal to 2x. Dx by dt? Dx by dt is nothing but what? E power t plus dou w by dou y is 2y. Dy by dt. Dy by dt you can take it as e power t commonly out. So, dy by dt e power t into cos t plus sin t plus dou w by dou z is nothing but what? 2z. 2z e power t you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Cos t minus sin t. Cos t minus sin t. So, to e power t is, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing left out, ma? E power t. 2 e power t you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? X plus y into cos t plus sin t plus z into cos t minus sin t. Cos t minus sin t. 2 e power t you can take it as commonly out. See, you can substitute the value 2 e power t into, what is the value of x? E power t plus what is the value of y? Y equal to e power t sin t into cos t plus sin t. Is it clear for you? See, you can substitute the value of x, y, z by t format because the answer, the sum it is in the form of with respect to t. So, you bring the answer in the form of t only plus z. Z is what? E power t cos t into cos t minus sin t. Cos t minus sin t. So, it gives 2 e power t into, here also e power t is common. So, you can take it out. E power t, what is the final result? 1 plus sin t cos t, sin t cos t plus sin square t, sin t cos t plus sin square t. Here e power t I can take it out. What is the remaining thing there? Cos square t minus cos t sin t minus cos t sin t. See, sin t cos t minus cos t sin t get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? 2 into e power 2t, because if the bases are same you can add the powers. E power 2t into 1 plus sin square t plus cos square t value is what? 1. So, it gives 2 e power 2t into 2, 4 e power 2t. 4 e power 2t. See the fourth sum. Let u of x comma y comma z equal to x y z, x equal to e power minus t, y equal to e power t cos t, z equal to sin t. Find du by dt. So, what is the formula for du by dt? It is a chain rule function. What is the formula? Dou u by dou x into dx by dt. Dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt, dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. So, you can take it as u of x comma y comma z equal to x y z. Dou u by dou x with respect to x, x become 1. What about the remaining thing? YZ you can write as it is. Next, dou u by dou y. Dou y. Y become 1. Remaining, it is in a product, you can write as it is. Next, dou u by dou z. Z become 1. Remaining, it is in a product, you can write xy. Okay, now you move on to dx by dt. X equal to e power minus t. Dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to e power t, as it is e power t, but minus t. So you can differentiate minus t. What is the answer you are getting? Into minus 1. So what is the value for this? Minus e power minus t. Next, y equal to e power t cos t. Y equal to e power t cos t. dy by dt. dy by dt both product form, t form. So u v dash plus v u dash. It gives e power t into cos t. Cos t is nothing but what? Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus cos t, v into u dash. U dash is what? E power t. So e power t you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Cos t minus sin t. Cos t minus sin t. Next you move on to z equal to sin t. Z equal to sin t. dz by dt. dz by dt, because it is in a product form, you can use it as u v dash plus v u dash. So u e power t, differentiation of cos t is minus sin t, plus v cos t, differentiation of e power t is what? E power t. Both the terms they are having e power t, so you can take it as e power t as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Cos t. Write it in a proper way. Cos t minus sin t. dz by dt is cos t. Now you substitute everything in the formula. See here, what is the value we are getting for du by dt? See, you substitute everything in the formula. Du by dt equal to, first value is what? Dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x equal to yz. Dou u by, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is minus e power minus t. Minus e power minus t. Plus, what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is xz. Dou u by dou y is xz. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt equal to e power t. E power t into cos t minus sin t. E power t into cos t minus sin t. Next, dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z equal to xy. Dou u by dou z equal to xy. What is the value of dz by dt? dz by dt is what? Cos t. dz by dt is cos t. Once again I repeat. See here, listen carefully. See, dou u by dou x is yz. dx by dt is minus e power minus t. We already found the value. Next, dou u by dou y is xz. dy by dt is e power t. I can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Cos t minus sin t. Plus dou u by dou z is xy. Next, dz by dt is what? Cos t. dx by dt is cos t. So you can take it as, see here, you can substitute everything the value. What is the value of y? Y value is what? E power t cos t. Y value is e power t cos t. What is the value of z? Sin t minus e power minus t. Is it clear? Y value is what? E power t cos t. Z value is sin t. Then e power minus t, minus you can take it out. Next, plus, what is the value of x? E power minus t. What is the value of x? E power minus t. What is the value of z? Sin t. Z value is sin t, e power t into cos t minus sin t. Cos t minus sin t. Plus, what is the value of x? X equal to e power minus t. X equal to e power minus t. What is the value of y? E power t cos t into cos t. See, if the bases are same, we can add the powers. So, the e minus e power t minus t. T minus t. Cos t sin t plus e power t minus t sin t into cos t minus sin t plus e power t minus t cos square t. Cos square t. See here. E power t minus t is what? 0. E power 0 value is what? 1. Anything to the power 0 value is 1. So, what is the answer? Minus cos t sin t plus this value is 1. You can multiply inside sin t cos t minus sin square t plus cos square t. Sin square t plus cos square t. See, cos t, sin t, cos t get cancelled. What is the final answer? Cos square t minus sin square t. Cos square t minus sin square t. See the fifth sum. If w of x comma y equal to 6x cube minus 3xy plus 2y square, x equal to e power s and y equal to cos s, where s belongs to R, it is a real number. So, find dw by ds and evaluate s equal to 0. The same way you can write the formula dw by ds equal to dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x into dx by ds. Dx by ds plus dou w by dou y into dy by ds. Dy by ds. So, dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x equal to, with respect to x, 6 3s are 18x square, because with respect to x only you are doing. 6 3s are 18x square minus 3 into x become 1. Why? The third term there is no x, so it become 0. So, what is the value for dou w by dou x? 18x square minus 3y. Next, dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y, there is no y term, so it become 0. See here, minus 3x into 1, minus 3x into 1 plus 4y. So, it gives minus 3x plus 4y. Minus 3x plus 4y. Next, dx by ds. Dx by ds. X with respect to s. So, it gives e power s. Y with respect to s. dy. Dy by ds. Dy by ds. It gives cos s. Cos s is what? Minus sin s. Now, you can substitute the values in the formula. See, dw by ds equal to dou w by dou x. What is the value of dou w by dou x? 18x square minus 3y into dx by dt. Dx by dx by ds equal to e power s. Dx by ds equal to e power x plus dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y is minus 3x plus 4y. Minus 3x plus 4y into dy by ds. Dy by ds is what? Minus sin s. Okay, with respect to s they are asking, so you change the value of x and y, you substitute the value for x and y, you can take it from the sum. 18 into what is the value of x? E power s the whole square. E power s the whole square minus 3 into cos s. Minus 3 into cos s into e power s plus 4y. First I will write 4y. What is the value of y? Cos s minus 3 into what is the value of x? E power s into minus sin s. So it gives, you can multiply e power s. First I will write 18 a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. 18 e power 2s minus 3 cos s into e power s plus into minus, you can multiply sin s inside. So what is the value for that? What is the value? 4 cos s sin s, 4 cos s sin s minus 3 e power s sin s, minus 3 e power s sin s. Now you multiply e power s inside, so it gives 18 e power 2s into e power s minus 3 cos s into e power s, minus 3 cos s into e power s minus 4 cos s sin s minus 3 e power s sin s. So finally you should find out, see here 18 e power, if the bases are same you can add the powers, e power 3s minus 3 cos s e power s minus into plus minus 4 cos s sin s, 4 cos s sin s minus into minus plus 3 e power s sin s. See, at s equal to 0, dw by ds at s equal to 0, it gives 18 e power 3 into 0 minus 3 cos 0 e power 0, cos 0 e power 0 minus 4 cos 0 sin 0 plus 3 e power 0 sin 0. Cos 0 value is what? 1. Sin 0 value is what? 0. Very good. So dw by ds equal to 18 into e power 0. E power 0 minus 3 into cos 0 value is 1. E power 0 value is also what? 1. Minus 4 into cos 0 value is 1. Sin 0 value is 0 plus 3 into e power 0 value is 1. Sin 0 value is 0. So here 18 into e power 0 value is 1 minus 3 into 1 into 1. this becomes 0. 0 into any number 0. Here also 0 into any number 0. So what is the value for this? See here, 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3, the answer is 15. 18 minus 3, the answer is 15.